Hello guys and good morning from the beautiful paradise of India. Today is another day where we're traveling through Kolkata. So one of the things that we're going to see today in Kolkata is Victoria Memorial. So we have seen it and driven past it a few times already, and it looks absolutely amazing at the nighttime because it's lit up. And if I drive around it once again at nighttime, I'll take a beautiful shot and show you in the B-roll here. However, now we're going to see it in the daytime, and also we'll take you to another place, but you got to stay tuned for that to see it later on in the video. So guys, Oberoi is actually based outside Newmarket, which is where we are now, and there's loads and loads of shops. It's Sunday today, so some of them are closed. Or mainly the ones inside, but outside market, I mean, look at that guys, everything is booming. But that's not where we're going today, so come with us to the actual Victoria Memorial. Guys, we've just managed to get inside the museum. We got the tickets and I had to pay the full price because I'm a foreigner, and we had to pay for the camera as well. Asia's biggest museum and world's 9th largest museum. This is quite a big one to see.
280 years old.
280 years old, wow. Impressive. Yes, giant turtle. Massive. 208 million years ago this thing lived. Those fossils of animals that lived so long ago.
This thing got mind of his own.
It's amazing how so many years ago they had the knowledge to put such a massive building together without cranes or like complex cranes.
And now is a struggle. This is preserved. Wildebeest.
By the way, if you're enjoying this content, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to notify you when the next video comes up. Thank you. So guys, like in every museum, this museum has many rooms and loads of steps to be done. And I can't really show you everything because you got to come and experience it yourself. Also read up a little bit more about certain things you see. And if I show you everything and film every single room, it's just going to be really long video and probably boring as well because you're not really experiencing it yourself. That's why I'm just showing you little snaps of how we walked around and what did we see, but it's not going to be covered in full. For that, I would have to honestly probably film for another 3 hours or so. But yeah, just have a look at what we've seen roughly. Guys, can you see this? On Indian currency, you can see 4 lions here. And we are standing right outside the Indian national emblem.
So here we have 4 lions representing India, and it's an Indian emblem on Indian currency. If you come here, this one here is called Ashok Chakra. This is on Indian currency.
Josh, you got red light. Oh my god.
Just you are not trained to do this right now. It will take 2 months.
Okay, we go green light now.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy stopped right in the middle of the road. We came here for the cake yesterday, right?
Huh?
We came here to the
Yeah,
cake
yeah.
to get the cake. Where is he gone? What is
Get the
this?
queue now
For what?
for lunch.
So guys, we're about to go for lunch and we stopped by this very popular place in Kolkata called Peter Cat. Josh has been there before and therefore they say it's a really nice place to sit in. And we are queuing up because it's busy, guys. Places like that, which are very nice, sometimes get busy and you have to wait your time to get in. But if it's worth it, it is worth the wait, right? So let's go. That was nice, guys. Really nice with kebabs. It just felt like a little bit like a Turkish style kebabs, and the food was really, really good. And now I believe we're heading over to Victoria Memorial, although I may be wrong because we have our friends or our family members to guide us through it. And it seems like, despite me thinking we're going somewhere, we actually end up going somewhere else. So yeah, you will see in a minute what we're going on. So what's he applying on it?
Tuna. You get?
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Look, there's a block of ice. Too cold.
And this is called what?
Pan.
Mann. Is this made of tobacco? What of then?
This is sweet pan, non-tobacco. And you get? Garlic, kalonji. Or you get cheese done?
Supari gila.
Supari, okay. This is supari, which is some sort of dried nut. And you get it?
Gulkan.
This is from a rose. So, Gulkan. More seasoning. Thank you very much. So, let's give it a go.
That's a mouthful. I cannot believe our luck. It's the second day in a row when we're out and about and it looks like it's going to rain again. So I think we're going to be caught up in the rain, and because of that we're going to have to stop somewhere and wait it out because I really don't fancy getting wet. And yeah, let's see. Guys, we just came across a stall which sells currency from back in the days. Got all the ancient collections.
Oh, check this one. How big is it? UK.
What is this?
No, this is British time.
Oh, look what I found. No way. Well, that is surprising. At least I found something from my country. By the way, guys, I don't know whether many of you knows, I am actually from Poland. I am not British. We came from United Kingdom. We lived there before we came to India, but I am from Poland. Many of you have told me that I am British and blames me for things I've never done or my country's never done. That is not the fact, guys. So yeah, just wanted to get that fact straight. And look at that, guys, it rains and the plan is spoiled, guys. We're going to go and walk around Victoria Memorial and sadly it rains, because of which we're going to go back to the hotel wait it out and see. Maybe we can still make it for the evening trip. We will see. So for now, we're just going to rest it out and yeah, see how it goes. I hope it doesn't rain too long. Yesterday only rained for like 20 minutes, so hopefully it will be the same today, and then it will clear out. It will be less hot as well, because today was very, very hot day. And after rain yesterday, it cooled down, so maybe that's gonna happen today again. Guys, at least we get to see Victoria Memorial from outside. And because it rains, we can sadly not go today. It's gonna have to be postponed to another day. But it looks amazing at night, and it's closed after 5 p.m. anyway, which is now. Check this out, guys. This is the Riverbank in Kolkata, and we are right by its side. It rains, but who cares? You live once. So apparently they have a very nice ice cream place here by the riverbank. So this is where we're heading to get an ice cream in a really cold and rainy day, but who cares? I turned the camera around to show you guys how lively this place is despite the weather conditions. No sitting, so we're moving on to another place to find somewhere where we can actually sit down and eat the ice cream, because otherwise we're just gonna, you know, get wet and eat ice cream, which is not gonna be pleasant. And we ended up in a shopping center, guys. We crossed the bridge from Kolkata to next little city next to it, and we're going to have an ice cream in a shopping center. At least it's not wet and it's nice and air conditioned, so we'll just go with the flow. Who's gonna get an ice cream? With people, guys. It's Sunday, 6:40 in the evening, and look at that, full of people everywhere. Mocha. How is this? Oh, look at your face! How is this? Time for my ice cream. Thumbs up. Obviously we had to stop for 5 minutes of children's entertainment, otherwise they would just not let us get out of the mall.